Oh, my aching back. Why buy expensive rubs over the counter when you can make your own? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today I'm going to be making a DIY sore muscle rub. A lot of people have sore muscles and they go ahead and buy the over-the-counter muscle rubs that have a lot of chemicals. And this one is all natural, no chemicals, and it works just as well. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing that we are going to add is 1/4 cup olive oil. Olive oil is an antioxidant, antibacterial, and it's moisturizing. 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm using extra virgin and I got mine at Walmart. The next ingredient is going to be shea butter. Shea butter is a moisturizer. It reduces skin inflammation and it provides relief for itchy skin. Again, I bought mine at Walmart. 1/4 cup of shea butter. And the next ingredient is beeswax pellets. I bought these at Hobby Lobby. And the beeswax is just going to be for the consistency of the rub. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of beeswax. And next we'll take this over to the double boiler and melt this mixture. And if you don't have a double boiler, you can make your own by having a pan full of water and a heatable bowl or cup and just set it above the water like this. Turn it on to medium heat and then you will want to go ahead and stir and make sure that it is fully melted. I have really sore muscles, but the main reason why I decided to make this was that I had a customer, her husband has sore muscles, and she asked me if I could make one. So I'm going to give it a try. And we'll be checking in off and on to see how this is melting. I won't make you watch a boiling pot of water. And you want to make sure that you are going to be stirring with something that you won't be eating with. You can use a stirring stick, a plastic spoon, a wooden spoon, whatever you want to use. You just don't want to make sure that you will use that to eat with. And it is starting to melt. And the shea butter will melt first. And the beeswax takes a while to melt fully. And you want to make sure that the beeswax is totally melted, because if any of it is not, then you'll have grainy spots in your lotion. So even if it looks like it's fully melted, I would let it melt a little bit longer just for good measure. I switched to a plastic spoon so I could get all of the pellets that ended up on along the side of the bowl, so I could get all of them to melt. As you can see, the shea butter is melted, and so we're just waiting for the beeswax pellets to melt. It almost looks like it is clear enough, but I can see some little white film on top. That is still the beeswax pellets. And if I took it off right now, when it started to cool, it would start to form into pellets again. So like I said, you want to make sure it is totally fully melted. Okay, so it is fully melted. We're going to let it sit for a couple of minutes to cool a little bit before we add our essential oils. And I'm actually going to go ahead and put it in the measuring cup so it'll be easier to pour into the jars. Okay, for some strange reason my camera wasn't on. I added 45 drops of camphor and stirred, 35 drops of peppermint and stirred, 20 drops of eucalyptus, and I'm getting ready to add cinnamon. So 25 drops. And the last one is 15 drops of clove. I'm going to stir that up. It's starting to set up pretty good. I just broke my spoon. That's what happens when you hurry. And 15 drops of clove. And we'll go ahead and stir that in. And it's already getting a nice consistency to it. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it in the jar, and then we'll put it into the refrigerator to set up for 20 minutes. And we'll see how well that works. And here is the finished product. And you just want to take like a little pea size amount and rub it on the affected area and just rub it in. Oh, it smells good. I appreciate all my subscribers, and if you have any suggestions as for what you want me to do, please let me know and I'll sure try it. If you like my videos and want to see more like this, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.